Why is it that the second you sneeze in class, it's like a whole church service breaks out? 10 people instantly yelling, "Bless you," like they're casting some ancient spell. Bro, I sneezed. I didn't summon a demon. One kid whispers it like he's in a horror movie. Another one screams it from the back like he's giving military orders. And there's always that one girl who sings it like she's auditioning for American Idol. Meanwhile, the teacher just stares at me like I pulled the fire alarm. Sorry for having a functioning immune system, Mrs. Johnson. Then here comes Dylan, who hasn't spoken since 8th grade, suddenly going, "God bless your soul, brother." Like, relax, you're not my priest. And don't even sneeze. Hey, like the video to say bless you twice, because now you've unlocked Bless You Extended Edition. People start giggling. Someone's like, "You good?" Like I almost fainted. And then from the back of the class, I just hear Gesundheit, followed by someone else yelling, "Salud." Bro, am I in math class or an exorcism? Next time I sneeze, I'm just walking out. Y'all not about to turn my allergies into a school-wide event again.